Monday. Welcome to the channel. I'm Warren.
I'm Kylaris.
And I'm Emily.
Yep.
And yours? Ben.
You're Ben. Yep. And today we're very excited to be fulfilling our good friend and community member Tuna to fulfill his redemption, making a Mustafar birthday cake.
That's my drink.
But yeah, so we're really excited for this one. I think it's a little bit out of our norm, or it isn't to like the same style as the other cooking streams that we've had. The other ones we've basically been like making dinners and things like that. So it's really exciting that today we are going to make, we're going to be baking. So we're going to make this cake, yeah. So for my birthday, yes. So it's my birthday on Monday. One of the things that we had to get is this, yeah, say it louder.
Cake hut.
It's an Anakin. Yeah, Anakin and
Yep.
it's like on the volcano.
So this is actually part of the cake decorating.
Okay, let's get this cake mixed up so we can get it in the oven, and then we can start building.
Yes.
What's Anakin's lightsaber, Mom?
Now the question is, how many candles do we do?
All of them. This is an epic birthday cake for, your 10-year-old Star Wars fan. No, how about your 38-year-old husband? Yeah.
All together now, chat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear